Hi YouTube, this is Felicia with Bible Scraps and your Fun Stampers Journey coach. Alright, I'm trying to contain myself because I'm a little elated, excited, fruity, bubbly, giggly because I'm super pleased with how these cards turned out. Absolutely love it. If you saw my last Fun Stamper Journey video, I shared a sale and clearance shopping lot, and I showed this stamp set called Hello Scoop. Now, if you saw that video, you know that I am excited about this stamp set. It has the cutest ice cream truck. So I could not wait to get my hands on this set. By the way, it came back by popular demand and it will be available until it sells out. Now, I'm going to show you everything I used and how you can construct your very own. And I'm calling these the Swing Flippie card. But first, let me cover housekeeping things. Shopping with me is really easy. You go to www.funstampersjourney.com/Bible Scraps, and that should take you directly to my storefront. Now, you could also visit funstampersjourney.com, and at the top of the screen, hit the Coach Finders tab. Type in Felicia Hands with a Z, and then you will see my profile picture, which is of a shopping lot from Fun Stampers Journey. You want to click on that, and then that will take you directly to my shopping page. Now, you could also click on the link in the description box, and that should take you there. If you should have any problems, feel free to email me at biblescraps@yahoo.com. We have a new website, so the crew is still working out bugs. So you should see my profile picture. If you don't follow the steps of typing in my name under the Coach Finders tab. Once again, email me if you should have any problems. And I'm asking all of my customers, please send me an email if you sign up for a free account or if you place an order. So let me get to these cards. These are my favorite cards to date. It is something about this ice cream truck. Now, I don't even know how I designed this card. But I am loving this swing feature. You are definitely going to see more swing cards from me. I totally love it. I shared a video using a frame die by Sizzix. So I decided to use another one of my frame dies. I've had these dies since forever, and I wanted to use it in a new and different way. And so somehow this whole swing concept came to mind. So when you swing it back, you can see all of my ice creams. And then when you open it up, it's a Flippy card. I have a Flippy shaker, and then you flip it to the side, and then you have a sentiment. Now, also on the back of the card, you see half that frame, another sentiment. We all scream for ice cream, and then an ice cream cone. I just love this. So I used our Be Amazing pattern paper, and I'll show that to you, as well as the Be Amazing color cardstock. We have 6 colors in our Be Amazing family, and I just absolutely love the colors, and it looks gorgeous backed with our black licorice cardstock. In this video, I used the Be Amazing colors with the dark roast cardstock, and it's stunning. Well, as you can see, black, well, it's not going to let you down. Now, I wanted to do something different with the ribbon. I didn't want to use it in the status quo way. And so I had fun using glue dots, and you'll see this in a video, until I folded something that looked pleasing to the eye. And I think that's really cool. Now, if you are one of my customers or one of my downlines, you will receive one of these cards or one of these cards. Yes. And I'm going to package up my very cute ice cream truck cards in my foiled flippies. And I will have the link in my description box if you are interested in how I made. All right, so let me show you some products that I used. I already shared the Hello Scoop. You guys, once again, this is backed by popular demand. We also have our Be Amazing stamps. They're retiring. They're 30% off. The clearance items, such as this Hello Scoop, is 50% off. Now, you would want to pick these up, you guys. I used these sentiments to stamp in the back of my card. These are everyday type sentiments. And these words or phrases, they're trendy. Amazing. You hear that all the time. Awesome. You hear that all the time. These are great stamp sets to have in your collection. Now, we also have some other items on clearance. I shared these in prior videos. They're 30% off. I will have links to my card making tutorials using these products. For this cupcake, I made a slider donut card. And then for the Let's Twist, I made 10 cards using this one set. I also made some Fruitylicious embellishments. Alrighty, so these are our Be Amazing colors that I use. I think I'm missing a color. Or here's a turbo teal. I have yet to construct that card. And then of course I used our whipped cream, our white, and then our black licorice. Now here's just a sampling of how the Be Amazing pattern paper looks. And by the way, this is also retiring, 30% off. You get these bright and bold colors on both sides. I used 3 of our blocks, the F block, the C block, and the B block. And then the rest of the items, you will see those in my tutorial. Before the tutorial, I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek in my mind, a sneak peek idea. Now, this ice cream truck can be so much more than an ice cream truck. The next time you see me use this truck, it will be transformed into a taco truck. Ah! Well, I want to thank you all for taking the time to join me in this video. If you have been inspired by my creativity, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video. Also, right now is the perfect time to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials. Feel free to share this video. Feel free to adopt any of my ideas. I only ask for proper credits. Do give shout outs and do link back to this tutorial. Now, if you want to shop with me, don't forget to check the links in the description box. As always, blessings!